Garoos? Garoos? That was a good Rue. What about you, Scarlett? Got a Rue? Got a Rue, Scarlett? Got a Rue? Got a Rue? Give us a Rue. Got a Rue? Come on, Scarlett. Got a Rue? We're out in the snow again. Hey, Blair, is there snow at your house? We're going to put a trailer hitch on that car there so I can tow it behind the RV next week. And then we can go somewhere where there's no snow. Sick of waiting for help. Screw that. I'll just go ahead and help myself. Hi, Bella. Waiting for people to help pay for this or pay for that. It's not worth the time in my life to just put me on hold while I wait for them. Just not worth it. I'm not going to get my life back. I'm not going to get the last month back waiting that I spent waiting. So that's out. We're not going to do that anymore. Female will come through, and we're going to get our venture moving instead of standing still waiting. Trade this snowscape in for some blue crab fishing in Louisiana. So want to get our stuff together and head for Louisiana. What I want to do is reverse the order of what I had planned to do. I was going to stay a couple months here and then go to Louisiana, but I want to go to Louisiana, spend a couple of months while it's snowing here, and then come back here and spend a couple of months, and then move around the country accordingly, following the sun. There's just absolutely no reason for us to be hiking in the cold, in the snow, when the only thing we own in the world has wheels on it. Our home has wheels, and all we got to do is fill it up with gas. You see Charlie out there on the front, Scarlett out there in hiking position, and behind us we have Bella, who's in pack position. We had a discussion this morning about who's leading the pack, and Bella didn't win. I'm leading.